Hi, how y'all doing? It's Tuesday, October 15th, about 11:25 p.m. as of recording this video. And I am back in my least favorite place to be in life right now, on IVs and 10 different medications that I'm not already taking. I went to podiatrist today, and after a month and a half of everything looking good, being home, progress, I went in today and my foot looked a little angry, inflamed, red. One of my wounds was getting deeper and another one was trying to open up. And I don't yet know what the what is. I did labs in the ER today. My doctor said he wanted me to go. I'm gonna throw that damned IV pole through the window. The doctor said he wanted me to go to the ER today and get ahead of whatever it was. And we did labs, and my white blood cell count is normal, but there are 2 other infection markers that are a little elevated. But we don't know what or why. I don't know. I'm so over this shit. Tomorrow's my kiddo's 7th birthday, and I'm gonna be in this freaking hospital. He was gonna be with his mom anyway, but I was gonna try to see if I could see him for an hour or so in the evening. And I'm here. My damn foot's falling apart again. I am so ready for Harry Carey. So much other crap going on. I haven't made a video since before the hurricane. Been trying to deal with all this mess. Supposed to have my water company come out and test the line from the road to my house, because they're trying to say that I have used like 10 times more water than I have ever in the last 2 months. And I don't have any leaks in the house. Nothing's, toilets running, no leaking pipes anywhere that I can find. And like for August, I wasn't even home, but they're saying that I used, I don't remember how many gallons they said I used the last 2 months, but it's unreal. And the bill is unreal. So I'm supposed to have them come out and check the meter and run some sort of pressure test, I guess, on the line from the road to my house. I got other crap that I'm fighting with. I have not had the time or the energy to put into a video since before the hurricane. I lost power like around 4 a.m. Thursday morning, and it was out until I think around 2 Friday afternoon, and that was pretty much it. I lost power, and I had some pine branches down around the yard, and didn't have any other issues. My folks came through it good. They didn't have any problems, and my ex and my son, they did good. She said her power flickered in the middle of the night, but she didn't go, a day or whatever without power like I did. So all that came through fine. I really hope that everybody that was in or near the path of the storm came through it okay, no problems. I know down near landfall and for a good area north and south and east, a lot of people went through hell with it, but as long as y'all and your families are okay. And if you had to evacuate, you took your pets with you, take your pets. Don't leave them. I know my dogs and my cat are probably wondering where the hell I am and hoping that they're not going to go more months. Only seeing my folks every 2 or 3 days. They're not. I can't do that again. I can't. I've got so much shit that I've got to try to get on top of. I can't do a hospital stay like that again. I can't. I did have my son Friday night. Saturday afternoon, Saturday morning, his mom picked him up and he went and sold popcorn for Cub Scouts. But I had him Saturday afternoon and Saturday night, and then Sunday morning she came and picked him up for the pool party in her neighborhood, and then I had him Sunday night and until 12:30 Monday yesterday, because it was teacher planning day, and so school wasn't open, and so it was either me or daycare for half a day until it was time for his ABA therapy. And I most gladly kept him, and we had a good time. I wasn't able to do much for his birthday, you know, but I got him a little toy he'd been wanting, and it completes a collection from one of his favorite YouTube cartoons that he's got. So it wasn't anything grand, but it was good. The weekend was good. Life sucks now, though. I don't mean to be acting like I'm feeling sorry for myself. I'm really trying not to. I know that, especially with this storm, you know, there's people that lost their houses, and as much as the state with property taxes and the home insurance rates going up as they have in the last couple of months seem to be trying to get me priced out of mine, I still at least have my house for now. And I'm really not trying to feel sorry for myself. I'm not feeling sorry for myself. I'm really freaking pissed, angry that this won't just stop. You know, I'm not feeling sorry for myself, but my life is pretty freaking hard as it is. And I just this damn foot. I mean, I'm trying really freaking hard to get myself back together, to make sure that I can do everything and be everything for my son that he wants and needs as his dad, and trying to bring myself back to some sense of normalcy and self-respect, being able to work, and this damn thing. I haven't been able to go and see the ophthalmologist, so I still can't see. I'm a big Meatloaf fan. Not the food, the musician. Although the food's pretty good too, especially when my mom makes it. Had a lot of great music. And always used to be one of my favorite songs, but it's more and more becoming greater on my list and reflecting my life. He had a song, I think, on the second album called Life is a Lemon and I Want My Money Back. I want my freaking money back. I'm so... I want my money back. I want my money back. I want a reset button. I want something, because this shit ain't it. I've always said it would be one thing if it was my fault. You know, if it was something that I did. but I didn't do this, you know. I didn't chop my foot off with an axe, you know. I didn't gig it with a chainsaw. I didn't, you know, mangle it in a motorcycle accident. This shit just happened one day. Just like cancer, you know, it just happened one day, and I didn't ask for it. I said, okay, I'll do my best to live with it, and I always do that, you know. Something shitty comes along, and I always do my best to get through it and live with it. And it just doesn't stop. I get little breaks, little reprieves, you know. And then suddenly here comes more shit. And it's just getting harder and harder to manage and deal with. Everything about life is getting harder. Everything is going up and getting more expensive. Everything's going up except my income, because, you know, it's Social Security. And I'm really trying to get to where I can work again, and my foot's doing great for months, and then all of a sudden this visit it's not doing great. It doesn't look good. It will Life is a lemon, and I want my money back. I'm really depressed. I'm really down about this. I'm really freaking angry. I'm trying really hard not to use more profanity than I should. I'm still trying to stay positive, but that's really freaking hard. Really freaking hard. And it's not even like I could tell them, okay, I'm done with this shit, just cut it off. You know, because apart from the challenges I would have to deal with at that point, that may not stop it. That stump may just start getting infected one day for no fucking reason. Pardon my French, I'm sorry. I look terrible, don't I? I need a haircut. Usually do it myself, but I can't see well enough in the mirror to make sure I don't leave myself looking like some wild-eyed crazy that just pulled clumps of his hair out and still has lumps of long hair left. That's the update. That's where we're at. I'm going to leave my GoFundMe link in the description, as I always do. Donations are not... There's so many more people out there right now that need help more than I do. If you can and want to donate, great. Thank you so much. If you can't, or, you know, you have you do have thousands of other directions where it could be put to better use, that's okay too. I know I'm not the only one struggling, but it's there. Thank you so much to everybody. Hope everybody came through the storm okay, and life doesn't completely suck for everyone. I'll talk to y'all later. I'm gonna try to get some sleep. I took some melatonin a little while ago. I don't like taking melatonin because it makes me dream, and when things aren't good, the dreams aren't good. Usually like bad dreams, and I'm probably gonna have bad dreams tonight now with this. But I can't sleep otherwise. The Benadryl is just not cutting it anymore. So I took some melatonin and I try to get some sleep. Get to the comments tomorrow and answer them as much as I can. That's it. Hope y'all have a great night, day, morning, afternoon, whatever. Wherever you are in the world, I hope life is good to you. And I've said it before, I haven't said it lately, but if you've got your health, don't take it for granted. Because I'm living proof that you can lose it like that. And the world becomes a very different place when that happens. Y'all take care.